Hi, my name is Masahiko Niwa from Astrolife. Welcome to Chilean Starry Night World. Today, I'll show you the galaxy with two beautiful arms. This is a screen that I used to control the telescope in Chile from Japan. The yellow circle is the position of telescope. It is moving from Canopus to NGC 1365. That is today's target. The telescope is now reaching to the target. Okay, let's change to the camera. Okay, you can see the galaxy. Let's zoom in. The signal is a little weak, so we need more exposure. So let's continue to exposing. This is the image 30 minutes later. You can see the beautiful two arms. This galaxy NGC 1365 is 60 million light years away from Earth, so this light is the light from 60 million years ago. On the Earth, the dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago, so this is the light when the dinosaurs had gone. Okay, let's zoom out to see whole picture. The galaxy is like isolated and is floating in space. You can see small galaxies on left hand side. So let's zoom in. Opposite side. You can see a small galaxy here, and this is also galaxy. You can see two galaxies. This is a galaxy called NGC 1386, and this is a NGC 1389. And the galaxy next to the star is NGC 1369. It is very interesting to search these kinds of small and cute galaxies. Today, I showed you the galaxy with two beautiful arms. If you have any objects that you want to see, please leave a message. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.